Hello friends, welcome to my channel Hima Education Made Easy. Right, it's been a long time since I have uploaded videos because I'm some sort of busy with some other work. So now we'll be looking after PIP. Okay, what is PIP means and why do we need to have a PIP? In this we'll be going to see. So here, before going to this, we are going to create a new file. So in order to create that, we need to just right click on it and then we need to go for Python file. Okay, so here I'm going to name it as PIP. Okay, so PIP, with name of PIP, I have created a Python file. So before going to the further session, we need to know what is PIP means, right? What is this PIP? Okay, PIP is package manager for Python packages, or we can say it as modules if you like. So in order to install all the modules like NumPy, Panda, and other things which are packages of this Python, you need to have this PIP. Okay, so if you have a Python version 3.4 or later versions, will not be needing this PIP because this PIP is installed by default in it. Okay. Uh, what is package means we need to know, right? A package contains all the files you need to for a module. So here Panda is there for Python analysis. So in order to analyze data, we'll be using this Panda. Similarly, NumPy, numerical Python, will be using it. So in order to work with numericals, we need to have some sort of packages. Let me say we are having some sort of math packages. So in order to install those packages in this IDLE PyCharm, we need to go with Control Alt and S. So if you press these three things at a time, then you will be directed to this page, so where you will be able to see what are the packages I have installed. So here in this I have installed many packages. By default you will be getting only small packages. Okay, so in order to install these things in Python, that is IDLE. Okay, so here PyCharm is IDE, what we have discussed at starting of this session, right? So this is the difference between IDE and IDLE we have seen. So here in this IDE, will be having these all the packages. So I have installed this MySQL and then NumPy. So here you can see NumPy, MySQL, Pandas, pip. These are all the packages which will be there in Python. Okay. So in order to use this, you need to have a installer, right? So in order to install all those things, you need to have some sort of installer. Okay, this is what the main concept of PIP. Okay, so here if you are using Python versions later than 3.4, that means 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, these versions will not be needed. This Python PIP separate installation because in this package, that is later versions of Python 3.4, that is I'll write over here, later versions of 3.4, already Python PIP is installed by default in itself. Okay, so here in order to check the version with which you are using this PIP, you need to go with command prompt cmd, okay, in which you need to enter PIP version, okay, PIP dash version. You'll be able to see which version of PIP is in this thing, okay. So PIP command options such as -e. Okay. Okay. So here, if you want to see the version, you need to enter PIP two dashes and then you need to go with version. So PIP dash dash version. With this, you will be able to see that we are going to use pip version, which is of 3.9. Okay. So if you are not having any Python PIP installers in it, then just you need to enter PIP space install. That's it. So if you enter it, you will be able to go through the installation process. Okay, you must give at least one requirement to install this PIP, because in PIP what you want to install, it's asking for. Okay, so as this one comes with the default, there is no need for us. So here I want to install PIP, install a package. I'll specify over it. That is, I want to go with camel case. Okay, camel case is a specific package in Python. Okay, so here already satisfied camel case already there in this package. So he like this, you are going to install anything. Okay, um, in order to uninstall this thing, you need to go with pip and install camel case. Okay, if you enter it, you will be seen with you want to proceed with the uninstallation. So as there is no need for any uninstallation, I am simply going for no. So here this is how you are going to install or uninstall. In order to install, you need to go with the pip install the package name. Okay, whatever the package name you want to install, that name you need to specify after pip install. So if you want to uninstall any package, simply in place of install, you need to go with uninstall space camel space any package whatever you want to uninstall it. So here I don't want to. Okay, this is how you are going to install through this command prompt. Okay, so here I want to see the list packages what are all I have installed in this. I want to see, then I need to go with pip. Okay, Python installer package. Okay, so here I want to list out all the things. So in order to do that, I'll be using this command like pip list. So that what are all the packages which are there in Python, it will show us what are all we have installed in it. So here I have installed camel case, which is version of 0.2, and then MySQL connector, then NumPy, Pandas, PIP, and then protobuf, and then data utilities, pies, and setup tools 6. Okay, these are all the packages which I have installed using this pip. Okay, so whatever the package you want to have, then whatever the packages you want to have, just you need to go with you need to enter pip install space install, then whichever the package you want to have, that name you need to enter. So here in place of package you need to enter. Similarly, if you want to uninstall anything, then you need to enter uninstall any package whatever you want to. So this is how we'll be doing through this command prompt. But if you want to go with in PyCharm, so here we'll exit this command prompt. Okay, exit. Okay, so here if you want to install the packages in this one, you need to simultaneously press Control plus Alt plus S. So here this one is the shortcut for settings. Or you can go with another method also, I'll show you. So here if you want to install any package, you will be directed to if you enter this Control Alt S, you will be directed to Python projects, under which you will be directed to Python interpreter. In this interpreter, if you want to add any sort of package, you need to use this one. Alt plus insert also you can use, or directly clicking on plus. So here you will be able to see packages. These are all the packages which are there in Python. If you want to install, if you want to use any packages like this, you need to go, you will be able to select the package, and then after selecting the package, so here I'm going to select economy. So here after selecting the package, you need to click on install the package, right? So it will show us that it's installing. Once the installation process is completed, then it will pop up like installation successful. As I'm not connected to any network, so it won't get downloaded and installed. So see, this is what the installing thing works. And here once it gets installed, we'll be able to see that one listed over here. So here error, because I'm not connected to any network right now. So here you'll be able to see these sort of installed packages. This is how you are going to install packages using PIP. Similarly, in order to uninstall also, so here you need to select it. Here this uninstall will get enabled. If you don't select that thing, uninstall package won't get enabled. So here this is how you are going to uninstall the packages in this PyCharm, as well as using command prompt. Okay. With this, we'll be winding up the video, and in our further coming classes, we'll be seeing some sort of examples like simple addition programming, multiplication programming, if loops, else loops. These things we'll go with. Okay. With this, we'll be winding up the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.